Well, you don't see these guys too often. These are oyster catchers. This is a nesting pair, and we are down here off the tip of Sandy Hook. Yeah, I'll show you New York in the distance there. You see Lower Manhattan, Verrazano Bridge. Yep. So anyway, back to our oyster catchers. Super cool bird. They come in here, from what I hear, to like nest for the summer, or I shouldn't say the summer, spring. They're out of here by the summer. Let's get a little closer, that guy. Pretty neato. Alrighty. Bye, oyster catcher. My assistant over here. Bye, oyster catcher.
Goodbye.
All right.